Helo, Rhian ydw I o Rhian Circus Cymru, a dwi'n gweithio ym myd y syrcas ers tua 20 mlynedd. Hi, my name's Rhian from Rhian Circus Cymru, and my art form is circus, which I've been doing for about 20 years. Hoffwn I ddysgu chi sut I jyglo. I'd like to try and teach you how to juggle. Mae nifer o fanteision I ddysgu jyglo. Gallwch datblygu eich ymenydd, gwella eich ffocws, a lleihau straen. There are many benefits when learning how to juggle. You can boost brain development, sharpen your focus, and reduce stress. Wrth gwneud y tasgiau yma, gallwch adnewyddu eich meddwl. Byddwch yn y foment presennol a gawn I hwyl. By focusing on these tasks, you'll be able to renew your mind, experience being in the present moment, and will have some fun.